BI Week was the perfect microcosm of BrightInsight to me. We had an opportunity to see so many amazing colleagues talk about the incredible work that they and their teammates are doing. We mixed in all these external speakers that both reminded us and brought to life our mission, as well as the impact that we're having with customers today. And that combination just was truly inspiring for me. And then you add in the entertainment and the self-care, and it literally made for a perfect week.
Blackbird singing in the dead of night, to take these broken wings and learn to fly.
BI Week was again a great experience. It continues to amaze me how we can manage to have such a warm and energetic experience, even though we're doing it remotely.
One of the best parts of BI Week is getting to hear from guest speakers, and one of the most valuable pieces of information I'll walk away with is to take 15 minutes at the beginning of my day to tackle something that's super important to me and my long-term goals.
One thing that I learned during the productivity session, and it is going to stay with me forever, that the hero that I keep looking for is within me. It's me.
My favorite session was definitely with Brian, our customer, who talked about how much value we're able to drive to our patients, as well as, the digital vision realization that they're able to get with the partnership BI.
One of my favorite events from BI Week was the informal session we had with members of our international team. I love that BrightInsight is not only a startup, but also a global company. We have teammates around the world solving problems that impact patients in many countries.
My favorite moment of BI Week has to be the session with Brian Johnson from CSL. As a new leader on the revenue team, it was so encouraging for me to hear Brian talk about the value that BI brings to CSL.
If I had to choose one word to describe BrightInsight's culture, I would say passionate. We are a group of people who are very passionate about our vision to revolutionize patient care with digital technology. If you talk to anyone in the virtual halls, everyone just very much believes in this.
BrightInsight has always kept its people and its customers at the center of its culture. We've already built a culture where we have highly skilled and highly motivated people who are looking for opportunities to work together and to collaborate to solve problems for this great cause.
The one piece of advice I learned at BI Week is we need to execute to delight our customers. We need to do that together. It's not going to be easy. And that's how we're going to be able to revolutionize patient care through digital.
Don't get distracted, focus. I think that was the main advice that I took away from Peter Sobilov's presentation or conversation. I think this is exactly what we need to do right now, laser focus.
The highlights for me were hearing the up-and-coming songwriter Reagan Russo give us a live concert.
Took my love and I took it down. Climbed a mountain and I turned around.
My favorite part about BI Week was the entire week in itself. It was such an awesome experience to go through the week and hear from so many different sorts of people. We got to hear from our own team members on things that they're working on. We got to see really, really deep product demos that just help really connect dots across what we're all doing together. We heard from patients just on how truly impactful our solutions and products can be to enable healthier outcomes. We got to hear from customers about the partnership that we have with them. And then we had an external panel of speakers come in and talk about really, really important topics like diversity, equity, inclusion, to name one. It was just such an unbelievable experience from an employee point of view, and it's something that I'll honestly never forget.